Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nganyiso Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your landing slider page. So over here, as you can see, what we're going to do today is that we're going to change this slider to have our product and our information. So what we're going to do, we're going to start, we're going to go to the dashboard. And once we've got into the dashboard, we are going to go to slider revolution over here. I'm going to click slider revolution. And this should take you to another interface, but don't get too intimidated. I'm going to show you exactly what to click on. And essentially what you're looking for slide home number 1. So that is where we're going to be making changes, and those changes should show up on the landing page of our website. I'm going to click edit. And now, as you can see, we are in let's say, the working place of the slider revolution, so this is what you're going to experience over here. Don't get too intimidated. I'm going to literally walk you through everything. So the first thing on top here, so these are your sliders. So if you want to add more sliders, you can add over here. But what we're going to do, we just want to switch. So we're going to switch to 2, and you'll see the second slide will come up. So this is where your second slide, if you want to make some changes. So when you go this, you want to go back to the first slide, slide number 1. And the first thing we want to do is we want to change the background. So to change the background, what we have to do is we have to go to the far right hand side of the screen. You'll see almost like pictures here. You just click on that, and you can see that's background. And we're going to scroll down, and we're going to go to media library. As we go to media library, we're going to select our background image that we want. And what we're going to do is, let's say we're going to select this image over here. I'm going to click insert, and as you can see, the background image has changed. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to name this. So we're going to edit this text 20. So we're going to call this an eye for security. Some fancy text just to get people going. So if you want to edit this, click on it, then come to the right here. So don't get intimidated by the coding here. So this is span, open span, close span, that just shows you that just shows not you the WordPress that this is a line of code, and this line of code is used to make that Korean, that text Korean, quite bold. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the background again. Maybe make it more exciting. So with the landing page, you want to grab your viewers' attention as soon as possible. So if you show them an interesting product, that's more likely to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an electric scooter, because electric scooters are cool. What you see now, the text. Let's see, maybe I can change the text. So what I'll do, going back to the text over here. So the first thing what we probably want to do, we want to change it to white. So people can see. And how do we do that now? We should just go to style, and then here's the text color here. So should be able just to click the color there as we have just done there, and you just go select and you go save. So now it says Korean fabric wooden sofa. So now we want to go and change the text here. We want to get out of the style, go to the content, and then we're going to go where you see Korean. I'm going to probably change to electric scooter. Yeah. So you probably want to have a better image. I probably haven't chosen the best image here. Let's see if I can get a better image that just fits way better than this. Try and get high resolution images, guys. The better the images, the more likely you will make a sale. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the original image. So this could be quite cumbersome. But what you want to do is that after you made the changes, you want to definitely be able to see your site from somewhere, and just see the effects, if you like it or not. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to the text here. What I'm going to do is probably where the wooden is, I'm going to put scooter. I'm going to delete that and delete that. Okay, so it says electric scooter. And then the big cell I probably want to delete, but I'll show you how to delete that. I just want to change this text here. Change and put the price over here. Okay, as if you want to delete something. How do I delete? You can just press Control and you just go delete. It's no longer there. And then we'll keep it to shop now. Now this button, you want to see where it goes. So what you're going to do is click on the button. Now as you can see, we're on the content tab right now. And then what we're actually going to do, we're going to select the actions tab over here. Now ideally you want to make sure that this points to the either the product or to your shop. So what you're going to probably do is go back to your website and go to the shop. So, and then you want to copy the shop URL that shows all your products. So if you go on your home page and you see the see all products page, literally click that button and then copy the URL. So it should be your domain name, /shop. then what you want to do is that you want to go to link URL over here, and that's a demo link URL, and you want to put your link. Should look something like that, obviously with your own personal domain there. And that should be it. And what you want to do is you want to save. So this first slide is saved, and now the second thing that we're going to do now, we're going to the second slide. So ideally, you want to have your two best products, or your two most stellar products that you're selling probably in your home page. But if you want to do a single landing page, ensure that your best product or your hallmark product is the one being advertised. Again, we're going to start with the background. This time I'm going to probably put in the UPS. There's a lot of load shedding happening in South Africa and just around the world in general. So why not give the people something to power their lives up? So here we are. You see already got a problem there with some texture, black. We want to move it into, give it a white. Yeah, we definitely want to change the text to white. Let's go to style. And we scroll down. Text color. Just click there. Should be a lot of F's going like that. Let's change the text. Go back to content and buy your own home interior. So what copy do I want to say? I say stay connected. Yeah, so I'm gonna say stay connected. Ooh. So I'm gonna say stop load shedding. Load shedding at home. Okay, put the price over here. Let's change it to rands. And now we're gonna go and change the button and make sure that it links. So we're gonna click actions, and we're gonna go back to click on the simple link, and then get the link where you want customers to go to once they click that button. You paste it over here, and then we should be done. We just go save. So now it's finally done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to the website and see if the changes have been made. So we just go back to dashboard. And let's just, go to visit site. Give it some time to load. And yeah, our sliders should show up, and they should be changed from what they were originally. Oh, here we go, electric scooter. So how that looks. Stop load shedding at home. So Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I've just shown you how to change your landing slider, and what I'm going to show you in the next video is how to edit the rest of the home page so it has the stuff that you want to show, and how you're able to show your own products on the home page. Thank you very much.